So what kind of cupcakes are you making now?
Rainbow cupcake.
You're not making rainbow cupcakes.
We're making cupcakes.
What kind though?
Blueberries.
Blueberry cupcakes. I bet they're gonna be yummy.
And rainbow cupcakes too.
Yeah, you did make rainbow cupcakes too. Okay, here, can I help you mix? Oh, I think we need some more blue, huh? Because that just looks green.
Yes. And we put purple and blue.
You can't put purple in there. Here.
Okay. 1,
2, 3, 4. That's enough. Okay, go ahead and mix.
It's turning blue.
It is turning blue.
Definitely put 2 blues in there.
Do you need some help?
Yeah.
Okay,
I think it's done.
No, hang on. We gotta mix.
It's done now.
Wait, no, not yet. Hang on. Wait a minute. No. Okay. Gotta clean off the sides.
We're not cleaning up with this.
You can't put that back over there. Wait just a minute, okay? You can mix the blueberries in a minute. Just let me mix the batter right.
Guys, Mama, a blueberry blue. Blue. I see blue now. And then,
Okay, now you can go ahead and mix the blueberries in. There you go.
Mommy, mix it, mix.
Oh, don't smush them. No, don't smush them.
Why?
Because they're going to pop when they bake. You don't want to smush them. Okay, and you're done now.
No.
No?
Mommy did.
No, you're done? Okay, wait. Good job, Chef Samantha.
Thank you.